Tired of going out, scared of running into you.
Just look at the body. What
is a girl to do?
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja, and we are doing a curly updo. It's giving 90s curly updo, kind of Pamela Anderson vibes, not with her bang, but it's perfect for the holidays, Christmas party, church, New Year's Eve, you name it. This is what is given, and I show you multiple ways how to do it with and without extensions. I'm wearing extensions right now. I just love my hair super full, so that's why I like to do it. But I definitely chit chat with y'all about what you can do to the hair and how to achieve this look. So let's get started. My hair is actually kind of dirty, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna use extensions. You don't have to use extensions. Oh my gosh, am I nervous? Okay, we're gonna be using a wand, some type of curling tool to do our curls. So you can use whatever you want, but I'm gonna use my Wavy Talk. This is from the TikTok shop, and it has a bunch of different attachments, which is really nice. So I'll be using probably this one and this one for some juicy curl differences. And they're kind of just wand attachments. I love a good side part. So just imagine this curled. That is so cute, right? I know. But I also took enough hair out to possibly put it in the middle as well. You could do a side part or a middle part. So that's pretty cute. This is not sponsored. I just love these clip-ins. These are all over the place. These are clip-ins from Love Me Hair. This is their Yaki Straight. Y'all, these clip-ins, the truth, I got mine from the TikTok shop and I use them faithfully. Love them down. I will show you this one step for your clip-ins. If you're ever doing an updo, you basically want to put it in backwards. So just take your clip-in. These are not straightened whatsoever, but this is kind of what the hair looks like. It literally looks like my hair. It's so scary. People are always like, are you wearing extensions? I'm like, no. No. But I am. Normally you'll put your clip-ins in like this, like haha, but now since we're doing an updo, you want to take it and face it towards yourself and put it in up like this. So when you put it up, it's flat. And there's no clip showing, no nothing. It's gonna feel weird because your clip-ins are literally like in your head backwards. So I'm just putting in enough hair to where I feel like it's full, I would say. So I'm gonna just put the rest in. But that's basically how you do it. You just flip it the other way. Not down, flip it up and going up. If we're doing an updo, you want all your hair to be going up like this. And you want it to be as flat as possible. Nothing crazy. If you wanted to add in hair for your side bang, you can do it a few ways. Adding it in layer by layer. So I'll put one in the middle, and then I'll layer it again. Okay, see, super seamless. Put in another. Seamless. So look at how much length that added to my hair. This is a very dramatic look, if you will. I don't want to cut my clip-ins, but this is basically how they would look. So just imagine it curled up. This is how you do it if you were putting it on the side. Super cute vibes. So if it was in the middle, I only did 3. But I do have another, so I will put 2 on each side if I was doing a middle part. Starting off from a little bit to the side. And you want to put in enough to where it's covered. So I'm just going to take another piece and layer it right on top. But this is perfect because then you're able to kind of cover everything so it's nice and flat. Do the same to the other side. So we'll keep it in the middle for now, but this is not the final boss. And some people like to layer their clip-ins, but I'm not cutting my bangs, okay? Not doing it. But now we're gonna get into the bun. I'm gonna be going in with my Got To Be. And it's just my edges that I kind of do this too. This works for my hair. You can always use like Eco Styler, Edge Control. I just always use this, like it just works. It seems a little chaotic, but I swear it's gonna come out cute, y'all. I'm just gonna smooth that down with a softer brush. Look at how easy that was. And then we're just gonna do the other side, nice and neat. And don't forget your little P's in the back, y'all. To make sure everything is flattened, you can just spray a little hairspray and just mold that as much as you can. And just make sure everything is nice and flat. So that is a way that you can do it without heat. With heat, you just need a little bit of hairspray. I would just say get everything nice and sleek. And there's many ways that you can do this. We're doing it ponytail style. You're just gonna curl your ponytail little by little. And you can use any size wand, any size curler. You just need curls. So that's really all you're doing is curling your hair. If it's already curly, kudos to you, but you can do this in so many different ways. So I'm gonna put a bunch of different size curls in my head, the whole nine. Just make sure the whole ponytail is curled. Definitely use your heat protectant, ladies. That is also important. We're just gonna be curling everything to be able to like pin it up and do what we need to do. Like, do y'all see the vision? Do y'all see it? Yes! Please tell me you see the vision. Thank you. Look, my EK voice, thank you. The pony itself got body because she's still blow dried, y'all. So you're gonna take a bunch of bobby pins, and some people do it different ways, but you can use bobby pins, a ponytail holder, any way to kind of get your hair to stick. You want it to be like a cute bun. And yep, we are messing up the curls we just did. And honestly, I'll be feeling like the more volume, the better. And we could even have some curls kind of sticking out. And you just want to pin and pin and pin as much as you can. And you can manipulate it as much as you want at this point, because this is how we are going to get our body. And it doesn't matter how you do it, because the curls are already gonna be like all over the place. It's cute already. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. And you can have little free pieces, like, oh, so cute. Come on, shape, get there, get there. It's giving Pamela, but black. I'm running out of bobby pins, actually. I kind of like this area right here. Be in the pony. Ooh, right there, right, ooh, ooh, ooh. Is it gonna stay? Is it gonna, yes, yes, queen. So this is the side. This is the side. Yeah, yeah. I like the fact that it's like at different lengths, I would say, like here. So we're just going to pin these. Oh, right there, right there. I'm nervous because I love this side so much. Oh, what a side part. Eats. Oh my gosh, I got 3 bobby pins left in front of me, I definitely have them all over the house. Oh, she is cute. So there's some pieces like in the back free. I don't know what it looks like in the back. Honestly, it don't matter. It don't matter because this is cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, let's do our bangs. You see the vision. Like, this is how it would look. A little curled. I wanted to show you what it would look like. But remember, we're not doing our hair in the middle. But this is the vibe. This is it in the middle. Oh, she's gorgeous. Okay. She's cute. But now we're gonna do her to the side, okay? And she's trying to go somewhere. Okay. Okay. Can't jiggle too much. Oh, actually, I love it on the side. This is so gorgeous. Don't do this at home. Because you can have your hair be just like this. Of course, with a curl. You can also bring it down and do one of these numbers. And I think I like the fact that my hair is stiff because then it means like the bang's gonna stay. Like, hair is stiff AF. Ooh. Oh, baby. I didn't want to cut my bangs, but now I feel like I have to. This is my like natural bang, but I'm not cutting my real hair. I'm gonna just cut the clip-ins. And I'm just gonna feather a little bit of the clip-ins. This is honestly so fun. It'd be too serious when you're doing a hair tutorial. Like, I just want to do my hair with y'all and show y'all another way to do your hair. Like, another way. That's as short as it's gonna get, y'all. I can't do any more. And curling irons are like somewhat new to me as well, because I never used to really curl my hair. But I did learn this trick from TikTok, okay? Learn this trick from TikTok. And basically, when you are using a barrel, you want to make sure that you are curling away from the face. Away from the face. You also want to make sure that like wherever you want to start the curl is where you start curling. So I'm kind of thinking here, and you always want to have it on the outside, the clamp on the outside. So when you're curling, it'll go under, and you see how it's kind of folding under, and the clamp is always going to be like going outward, okay? So to keep that curl there, you're just gonna keep folding under, and turning. Don't touch the actual iron, but this is all you're doing every single time. And like, to release the hair, just open the clamp. And you see how that curl is already forming? You see this? I mean, it's off, but you see how the curl is forming, right? It's giving bombshell. Just gonna roll her up. And I should spray it, but I don't want my bang to be so gross. And when you're taking out a roller, you just want to make sure that you're twisting as well. Twisting and coming out. That is how you correctly take out a roller. She's a very long bang at this point. I wish it was kind of shorter at this point in time, but she is adorable. I should have had a smaller barrel, but I don't want to mess up the curls, so I'm gonna stop. Putting it down. Thank you guys for watching. I hope we had a great time doing our hair together, but this is the perfect look for the holidays. This is on an old blow dry. I didn't give myself like a silk press or a flat iron. If you have any trouble, definitely leave me any comments down below and I will definitely answer them for you. But this is the look, and there's so many different ways that you can achieve this and different ways that you can style your hair. Like, look at me now. Like, I'm literally already doing stuff like cute. Like, now I look like a little sexy librarian. Like, come on now. Like, I honestly might do my hair like this for my wedding. For my wedding, I might do my hair like this. Like, I feel so pretty right now. Yes, that's how you know it's perfect. That's how you know. That is how you know. Yep, do this for your wedding, girls. So this is the cutest little updo I have ever seen. Okay, and I did it myself. Yes, so you're gonna do it too. But thank you guys for watching. That was the tutorial. And let me know what other hairstyles you guys want to see, because I could definitely do them. Like, at this point, it's a free-for-all when it comes to heat. I do not care. Like, I'm a straight natural at this point. I'm a straight natural. That's what it's giving, because I don't have a perm. But my hair is very fine, so I don't care what we do. We could do it all.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic.